Like, yeah, you can wash your hair, moisturize it, and condition it, but you really need to work on the insides.
It looks like I have one right here to pop.
Hey, y'all, before I go to work today, I'm going to do my CMOS gel. This is something else that, you know, that I use for, oh, you can't see me, hold on. Something else that I use for healthy hair. Last time, I made this whole thing. Can you believe that? Oh. Last time, I made this whole entire thing. It was so much. I filled up a big old jar, but this time I'm only gonna do, I'm putting it in my, like, I don't want to do that much. I put it in my smoothie, so let's see. I'm going to do a little bit more. I'm going to let it sit, so then that way, you know what, I'll do this much. I'm going to let it sit during the day, so then when I come home tonight, I can make it or whatever. I got my fresh mountain water. So what I'm gonna do is just pour it in here, pour some in here, because I want to rinse it. So this is what I'm doing. Voila. And I'm gonna do that one more time. I was gonna put it in a strainer, but I'm like, this probably would save me some water if I just did it like this. So, you know, when you talk about like healthy hair and all that, it's whole body. I always say that. Like, yeah, you can wash your hair, moisturize it, and condition it, but you really need to work on the insides first. So that comes with eating right and all that good stuff. Let me get a bowl. So I'm just going to take my CMOS and put it in my glass bowl here. I'm gonna cover it with water, of course. Okay, all in there good. And then it'll expand. Voila. All right. Doing my saran wrap, and I'm just gonna cover my bowl. So then, good, when I come home, it will be ready. Let's see if y'all can see that. Oh, crap. You see that? Yep, it's covered. Okay. All right, y'all. I am headed to work now. Bye. I'm home now. Look at my CMOS. Nice and expanded. Looks like spaghetti. Mine always comes out like applesauce. But I guess, oh no, don't fall. I guess that's okay though. All right, y'all, next morning. Okay, so this is how I sleep with my hair wrapped up like this, right? I'm still pineappling because otherwise it's too much to lay on. Plus I want to keep the waves, right? So taking it down. Of course, it's fallen a little since yesterday, but it's good still. So what I do is I'll still spray it. The weather's changing, so I don't know. I feel like your hair changes when the weather changes. Like, I live in California, Southern California, and it's really hot in the summers. Right now, we got rain, we got rain the other night, which is very, you know, we don't get rain a lot here. But anyway, saying all that to say, I just feel like in the summer, my hair is so much drier. Oh, I used that, the rinse or whatever, right? The Shae Moisture rinse when I washed my hair the other day, and I felt like it did good. Like, it doesn't feel as dry as it has been. Plus, like I said, I think the weather might be contributing to that too, to it not being so dry. But I like to spray this on my hair and like on my roots and stuff. The rose water glycerin, and I just buy mine on Amazon. But you could see how it fell from yesterday. But like I said, that's okay with me. If you want a tighter curl, then do just one braid, right? I do like two. I put 2 locks in one. And then I braid it. So essentially I have 6 locks in one braid instead of 3. Does that make sense? I hope so. Okay, so going to work. I always try to comb my edges up just so that it looks neat. And then I kind of like repart. And I'll put, did I put some oil on? I guess it can't hurt to do more. More oil. And that is it, hunty. Telling you y'all, low maintenance, I ain't got time. I don't have time for, I don't have time to be doing my hair. I don't. Okay. That's that. Look at all the, it's like a flyaway. I call it a flyaway. It's just a lock being a lock. I don't retwist, so that's gonna be there. That doesn't bother me. That is not neat. The fuzzy roots. It is what it is. All right, I'll see y'all later. All right, I'm getting ready for work. Okay, so remember, this is the sea moss that I made yesterday. I'm about to make my smoothie. I got berries, got some chia seeds, some flax seeds, maca for energy. Yeah, so I can't even talk. I got a lot going on here. But remember what I was saying yesterday, I believe, that it's about, like, you want healthy locks, you need to, it's whole body. I always say that, it's a whole body, okay? Not just what you put on your hair, it's what you put in your body. All right, good morning, y'all. I pineapple my hair at night, but this is usually how it ends up. Like this, from the way I'm sleeping. So yeah, what I was saying is generally it ends up like this when I pineapple. And I get up in the morning and it's crazy. But anyway, it's fine. This is day 3. Still got my waves. All right, I'm headed to work. See y'all later. It looks like I have one right here to pop. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Yeah. All right. I think I'm good. All right, so in addition to okay, y'all, in addition to my smoothies that I do, I alternate. So today I'm doing this green synergy. I actually have met the husband and wife that own this company and taken a class with them. So I like this product. It's a lot of like green products, green supplements on the market, but them I like. So I just mix it with orange juice because the flavor is all full. And then I'm gonna put some of my sea moss in there too. So that'll be my drink for the day. I always try to like take a drink to work, like a smoothie or something, in addition to water. Because yeah, I be needing something.